Okay, settle down.
Do you have any questions for me?
Can I fart real quick or no?
It's free country, dude.
Where the choir still sings in German. That's the story of the French band.
Dude, how's that? That stinks! Get out of my car!
It was a joke.
It ain't no joke. You don't fart in my face.
I play a lot of Street Fighter lately. You know, just... Look at Logan!
My shoe! Oh, I'm so sorry!
You, I will care for you and protect you, and to be with you the rest of my life. I promise to share my whole heart with you, and to remember to show you how deeply I care for you, no matter what.
You farted on me.
I think you pooped on you.
Run back.
Holy shit!
That's so loud.
See if you go down the ring.
Relationship advice. Oh, I think I just shit myself.
What's that sound?
Oh, Jesus! That's disgusting.
Popeye's chicken sandwich. It was good. Good.
Okay.
Stay here.
I'm gonna cover up this fart with cum.
We get this going. You ready to go? Jesus.
Hey guys. Oh. Honey, what do you think?
Can't you just let something be nice?
And to be with you the rest of my life. I promise to share my whole heart with you and to remember to show you how deeply I care for you no matter the time.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Can I get the chocolate dip?
Oh shit.
Just so sick. It was perfect. It's like
Jesus, Scotty.